I am again. I video again myself. I'm Jaime Esteban, Austria. Ah, my address 062. Ah, Sitio Rebellios, Barangay Malacañang, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, 2420 Philippines. Ah, I just look my face so I can video myself. Or you know me. You know me that I am Jaime Esteban Austria. The one was going to uploaded some of my videos as Jaime Esteban Austria. Ah, can you see about my YouTube studio on your YouTube channel? On my YouTube channel, can you see? Ah, my subscriber was almost 1,080. Ah, eh, and I'm going to tell you again that I am my address located at 062 Sitio Robillos, Barangay Malacañang, Main Road, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, 2420 Philippines. I'm a Filipino. Have some many, maybe they want me to track or anything, but for sure I am doing now for to tell you that I am Jaime Esteban Austria. My address located at 062 Sitio Robillos, Barangay Malacañang, Main Road, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, 2420 Philippines. I am a Filipino. And thank you very much for your giving me or for recap 2025. I'm very thanks for your making like that. Thank you for YouTube. Thank you very much. My cellphone number 0992 696 0985. Yes, I'm doing again to tell you my address located at 062 Sitio Repillos, Barangay Malacañang, Main Road, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, 2420 Philippines. I am again to tell you that I am Filipino. I live at San Carlos City, Pangasinan, 2420 Philippines. 062 Sitio Robillos, Barangay Malacañang, Main Road, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, 2420 Philippines. My cellphone number is 0992 696 0985. Maybe my video, maybe if you're moving, can you see my videos? May you understand my address. You never can see on the map because I already tell you that my totally address. If you don't know, you say that you want to see that at the map. You are very real artist. You are make artist. Impossible that you don't know. You can hear my voice now. And you can see my buto. I video myself so you remember it. What? Impossible yet that you don't know. You can hear me or you don't you can hear me and you don't look me. What? Are you blind? Are you deaf? Maybe no. So now you just know you know now that I am that one. I am this one. To tell you all my address and on all my page. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. For everybody was know me now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very